Hello, today we are going to have a tutorial on how to monetize a blogger with a Monetag. We are going to pass through 5 steps. The first one is how to create a blog account, as well as on how to create a Monetag account. Another step is creating banner ads using a Google Gemini maybe or ChatGPT. Another step is taking a direct link from Monetag and then pressing that direct link in a banner ad code, then you are going to launch it on your blog. And finally, we are going to conclude why this is important. Now let's start with our tutorial. Now step number 1, we are going to create a blog account like this. This now is my blogger website, and this one are posts. Now let's try to create another new blog. We are going here to the down, then create new blog, and here we ask you to create a title. Let's say monetization. Okay, then you press next. Another, then you enter your blog URL. Let's say monetization.uk. UK2 maybe. Yes, this, do you see the this blog URL is available? Then you can save it. Now we have created a blogger page. Now let's now create another. Let's create another a Monetag account, because here we have just created only a blog account. Let's now create a Monetag account. Then what you are going to do is creating a new tab here and then search for Monetag. Now you can see here that we have two options. Maybe let's say you want to register. If you don't have any account for Monetag, you can register here. You can register with an email, or you can continue with Google. Let's continue with Google. This one will be the simplest way. In this one, let's take a Google account, and then through that we will be directed to our account. This is my account, and now what I'm going to do is to create a direct link. Create a direct link. Then you are going to add here a new direct link. Then you can see that a new add link is created. This one. You can see here is hit its joke. Okay, whatever. This one now you are able to share, and then you can get income through that sharing of an entire URL. Now what you are going to do is to create a banner ad with this URL, because let's say you have connected your website on Monetag. Sometimes ads are not loading properly on your website, but once you create this banner ads, it will be easy for you to get to earn money on your blog maybe. Now let's go to our blogger. Now this one is our blog. You can view it. Let's try to view. Do you see it has nothing here? Our title, this one, monetization. Now what we are going to do is to create a banner ad. Now this is step number 2, is to create a banner ad. You can go to the chat GPT, then prompt, write a prompt on how to create a banner ads like this one, whereby there will be a certain button for a user to click and direct it to an entire website URL. For example, this one is my URL for a website, whereby a user can click and then will be directed to this website. Now this is how that banner ad will look like. Do you see here is asking click to learn more, whereby here we will place our Monetag ad link, then we will earn money through that. Whereby, for example, let's say when a user click on this point of an image, will be directed to our website, so we'll earn money through this way. Now let's go to our codes. This one, our codes, our banner ads codes, this one. And then in step number 3, let's go to our Monetag account, then copy this one, banner ads URL, then it is copied. Let's go to our ad link, this one, our banner ad link, banner ads codes, whereby we are going to paste this one here. You see, we have pasted this URL for our banner, for our ad from Monetag, and then when your user is clicking on this one, we will earn money. Let's say save it. This one is a demo. Then let's go to this website. Banner ads here is how it will look like. Let me refresh this one. Here I have refreshed it. You see, here I have refreshed it. For example, if I copy this one and go and open it in incognito mode, because that ads is for my account, Monetag account. So when I click myself, it will be safe. Click, then I will be subjected. Then let me try to open in incognito mode. Here is, I have opened that banner ad in incognito mode, so that once I try to click this one, I will not be subjected anymore for self click, because no data will be taken from this one. Let me try to click this one. Do you see? This is our ad. This is our banner ads. Do you see? This is how our ads will look like. Therefore, we can earn money through this, creating banner ads using ChatGPT, and then copy a banner ads, copying a direct links from Monetag, and then we are going to paste those links in banner ads. Now step number 4 is, let's try to copy this. We have to copy this banner ads codes, and then we are going to paste it in our blog, our website. Do you see it has no any posting? For example, let me try to create a new post over here, and then after creating a new post, do you see here, by default it will look like this one, whereby a person will be able to compose text and various content on his or her blog. But what we are going to do is, we are going to, in HTML view, then we'll paste this as in this one, HTML view, like this one. Now I have pasted here. Let me try create a title here, monetization in blogger, maybe in Monetag, maybe. Here is already. now I will be able to publish it, then confirm publish it. This one, you see, we have published that post. You can view here. You see, this is how our banner ad will look like. Do you see? It acts as a post in a blogger website, and maybe once a person writes maybe a certain ways over here, hello everybody, maybe, and then let me try to update it. Then I can refresh this page. Do you see here the text is written hello everybody? Therefore here we will be able to write our posts, whatever posts, maybe contents what we are creating daily, and the banner will look like this one. Do you see? This one is clickable, and here we have pasted, we have put such Monetag links. Therefore we'll be able to earn this income. Step number 5 is, do you see, this is a home page of our website. This is here, this one is our profile or whatever. Yes. Step number 5, let's create a certain, let's go to a blogger layout here, and then do you see here at the top, maybe at the sidebar, we are able to create a certain gadget. Let's create a new gadget, HTML or JavaScript, and then here we also paste such banner codes, and do you see it has been updated. Let's go to refresh this page, and then do you see, once I view over here, this is another banner. Do you see how good it looks like? Here now is how you can earn money through these banners from Monetag. Conclusively, why this? By conclusion, this one is useful because it may happen in certain times you have created maybe a Monetag account, and then you are creating maybe ads for your account, and then you place those ads in a blogger website, but you can see that those ads are not loading properly, maybe depending on the geographical locations of a visitor in your website. Maybe it depends on the content of your website, but by taking a direct link like this one, copying it and placing it directly on your banner ads codes, you will be able to earn more income without any quarrels, maybe, because those banner ads will look like a part of your content in your website or in your blog post. Therefore you'll be able to share those posts, and you will be earning more. You will be earning money, earning more income on your website through these links. For more tutorials, try to subscribe our channels, and the next tutorial we are going to show on how to create a pop-up account, pop-up ads and pop-up banner ads codes for your URL direct link, maybe from Monetag and whatever, and then pressing those pop-up codes on your blogger website and earning money through that one. Thanks. Please subscribe to our channel and visit daily. We are going to post more and more tutorials on your website. Thanks.